enu bi ne ewom sisi ai akuafo ya kari koko ye omu koko wa se aban ato afiri omu nsem ase etu omu ka no ofa aban entu nyeska ntu akuafo no ka
mame mawo akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame me adwoa search him ebusuafo se wo se wo de wani hrem ewo western north mi ankasa mi kroma wo se koko akuafo no omonu demo musu ma wonya sapone senya wonya sapone se January e wo mi e school fu abi school ebi mo nkra bi kan ko afi na bi mo nso eko na school na wo bie no awofo ne se free SHS no enhede ndi musa books so school atari o mpabo wona no woto school fees granya nyame anfefia wa hwe mechi o ade na saa eka we na begu won so na wo san so etua na koko woto na wontua won kadea ene ha what's wo western of wo so
NDC time say omuto koko no omuntua akuafo no ka okwa yesi e fra de bi say go ahead yesi go ahead my na me ka say me wolu my ko over on my way enkrofo ya to aba mo ya mo say Ghana fo come say Jesus no bebre omo hu amamu a
bibias say o
omo amamu a mo hu ye nyina yakufu ado de no because obi afi ne wonye 20 years 21 years no woti 8 years firi nim fi me yesen and even John Mahama 2013 2016 wan no waba hu 1990s amamu no waba hu kufuo de a obebu ne 2001 up to 2008 entu ka bibia kire omo a de omo ni ma ne se abai bi aba na bebi omunye omusikatiri eye my bet na my bet no so omutwa na omudi a abai no de 10% tax atoso enti sa na te de obi se me ba me ye firo sa na te na meto aba tia sa abai no ene mo mokoto omo aba Jesus no bebi sa na omoto no enti de me kan se sa time no kwa ya to koko be me fada no to me what e gina fa ko na sabe se $100 na ya bie school no ese ya back to Bono region ya ko school no ya ko di Christmas ye ka ya ba sisi ye tumi tena Western region bed because oluma ya ko bank a onye sika esi go ahead my go ahead and say ese aban edi sika ba na ya ka kire nkrofo na omutua akuafo no ka say bank fo no say muntua akuafo ka nti go ahead no ni nyina say na sika ni ho ntu kwa na bank fo na ka kire say go ahead my enu bi ne ewom sisi ai akuafo ya kari koko ye omu koko wa se aban ato afiri omu nsem ase etu omu ka no ofa aban entu nyeska ntu akuafo no ka randia be etna television so wo Ghana ha good morning Ghana eye na dwen nsem a okan nyina se Ghana onimu nyansa achen obia ye ba ha ne ye pagware yakoye chief executive Ghana Cocoa Board wabubu Cocoa Board no wabubu no enti besi nne no akuafo no na ye ba Christmas ye no ka chen say go Cocoa Board no e wo challenges and even bonus so a ye tuama ye na ye adwuma e wo Cocoa Board afi bia ye mo bonus afi abandon ntua for the first time in the history of this country government couldn't pay. Meanwhile ono no a wo se Cocoa Board no ye broke no onya kwan ko America eya Black Star ye ko ye balloting ahwe position of where Black Star will play e wo World Cup nti not ho na ye Farmers Day o Ghana Randy Abi
yeah
ono nakatua bosumi bia nakatua ebro 700 million oje onte so ahokyere ba Akufo-Addo time a covid ba ya ahokyere ba no me amete hayi ya na me MC no ote makatua 30% na de me gia me de kofi 5,000 Ghana cedis enti se office Cocoa Board aye broke a aden na wonte wakatua no so na eye leadership because Akufo-Addo eti all government appointees akatua so enti ti wo de no so na ma akuafo no yenye sika mfa ntua Cocoa ayatoka na de ewom ni se ofa wo yesi a wo se me ho no eye border area
yeah
enti e ba se no a odi Cocoa d'Ivoire na obenya sika otama na odi Cocoa d'Ivoire enti we se ye tonnage na afebe so a yenim se because abawei aye Cocoa ho adwuma bebre a ese mfie mienu mfie mensen wo yanimi ese se Cocoa tonnage ekosoro Cocoa na awu anyini nyina abawei etwa ni nyina aguyi ema akuafo sika ema yedua Cocoa no yesan ma omgodo na wadua na atumi apaja Cocoa no Cocoa eteki be se mfie mensa mfie nan mfie num na ahya ase yeso endi sesi ana akuafo no de omo anya ne sesi ana wudu omo ka no ene ne de yefu
we ye ninkitum afena na kese no ebeba ye wo Ghana ha Nana do befa cocoa bag ahe 2016 na me shada the politics e chinzi na me cocoa bag. Nana do cocoa one bag ebedu 3001. And a peton na me say is 4900 is 600 and something and 4900 and something. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ejina Ghana higher campaign. Abranti or cocoa body of any say Randy Abbey. I no host a morning show Metro TV. Mesa morning show na pebia mitia na makoma ya mentie ni na agenda Randy Abbey ehye NDC by journalist mu a waje your friend is in position e wo cocoa board. Kwasi asem kwa na Randy Abbey no ti morning show so di. John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency Beshe Ghana Bose, Oba Koko, beton 60 million, which is 6,000. Ekuyafu, hey, Ghana form you ungrateful. Omo short memory, hypocrisy, omo de. Ebo sisi, Mahama se obetu Koko 6,000 year to Abamano. I'm working somewhere where some Mahama no you. John Dramani Mahama, no man 15 years is crash mountain and Ghana Konya, so to me to Koko muda. Now make me understand. Say president biaba economy no ontua teachers fuko ontua nurses fuko on fa dwumayefo teachers and nurses on fa bio 1 year no fa obia. His Excellency the former president now Dr. Akufo-Addo bad luck your friends a bad luck John Dramani Mahama jawo na na do ba ofenipa consistently to 2014 sorry 2025 official etu adwumayefo ka nurses teachers etu omo alawa even covid by ya tifie kwada na do da so etu teachers and nurses ka I impone economy na ye den no na do was na dollar rate no e wo high but still na Ghana for twade even though price of goods go do so kakra no still na sika wo Ghana for twade because na do otua nkrofo ka and na sika by economy ni mu and ye do twade. Nina NPP force that bill. Sorry, Ghana force that bill. The John Dramani Mahama 2016. Yedi over 1 million votes. Na reho. First time president had over 1 million votes to because now say na membuni is useless. Within 8 years, the Ghana force that Mahama and Sansombra or your Messiah or Medjin. In fact, Mahama Aba on Fedjumayefo, on Tiedjumayefoka. NDC for one kasa e bi mo eye friends and not more directors and esikuwa do be makwa mama cancer wontua wonka John Dramani Mahama ba so ko 1 year wontua wonka assemblyman on kasa be share boso be tise Rade Akopon wontua wonka was wontua wonka from say February March hoban enkali na dukadaya assemblyman for pamoko bi so mutua moka Mahama ntua ka on Fedjumayefo or say Okoka say John Dramani Mahama in the Ghana for say omu hailing say he's the best president African United yenya adenya wamana prices of rice akofim wamana price of kenke akofim into he's the best president now then the economy without paying the government workers on Fedjumayefo bia John Dramani Mahama and fast so more fame 1 year ye hu deport ya Mahama se wa ye wo Ghana ha no mantino oye chese Ghana for say on to aso bio sabio nwan abranti bia ndem hu no TikTok se Mahama de friends 8 years now and as a second term no sanso ntwen ka ho no da bio on tena so ne 5th term yo yate opekwa on tena so ate da obewu ye no emfa ye ho because amembu de NDC for mu bi pa mi hu obi wo TikTok or ya analysis adanya NPP ni bi akoka say Christmas o mo ntade nti NPP for ye tan John Dramani Mahama His Excellency ye tan for what reason no kwaya sem na ye ka no Christmas wo kokroma obi ana no dem mi ami krom bra kwa was one wo beton ade e wo last market no obi bo besia no de kwa o mo anu dem ya ye mistake o munye hu hye na mesim wo bra kwa na ka me dem o tise ye me mu dem wo ho ene ye te ha ene ye hu hye 1 year ni adwumayefo so mo asu wontua ye nko na do was when was the last time adwumay ni bia fa placards e kwa demonstration say ye salary akem ya ala wa akem na do so na friends dollar rate no high and so mo tade papa na do tia adwumayefo ka na ofa adwumayefo Ghana fo sie hu hye cocoa for Muhammad Adams or my sisters no or buy no the first time no I can tell the two do 400 cedis. Means is a price of cocoa could do na me so me penny share. Is a minimum say yana papa bia na this for ye. One of the musu. When you who show I feel like this is just the beginning. I feel like I can see beba. It is cocoa equafo. Mo be a school na se mo nya e ma mo disturbing you. E ma cocoa kwani bia funny enkojanu cocoa fum kofa that they say you betu end this mo poa end this near to mo so mahamo tena so atu zo bewu. Na ona mo se mo njini ade mo dwan.
See the dollar abafom. Na the ye nyina ye hwere han ebebu aboye. I am not a prophet of doom. The ye hunu bi dent no. Keke ebra MP Kufo ba ya na cocoa sector no agu ti say na make na ye ka go ahead as me. What Kufo did ne say even the yare a na ho a na ye fe na sukuo na ese cocoa no de ho ne enti de Kufo kofa mass spraying e de buy. Kufo kofa mass spraying de buy. E create jobs Emma cocoa akuafo ho beto mo masa yare na na ese o mo cocoa na o munye sika no emma cocoa e ko soro ntube say NDC for ba power 2010 no e na ma ye ko hit 1 million tons na nka odua cocoa wanyi ya na eyi Kufo de na o ye ne 2006 2005 2007 no e ba na 2010 na shase it is oil you discover President Kufo time e ba say you discover in a commercial quantities no NDC for by 2010 2011 fe na ne nya commercial e na ma Ghana ye GDP e ko 14% enti enye wan ya na de yesa ne ma no na ba we buy no akuafo koko amoato sisi ya no me nuanam me kurum jama south for amanfo isu se me send me ma audios no bia e be wa reho akuafo ene won say ya bia school it's so mako back to school they can't send the children to school omusika kodi aban ho ya to koko aban so ntua kila ntua say time catch us aban we first kila ntua
aban papa ba
enko enti nipa na omu ni man disi aban no
ya no cocoa growing areas na
I'm telling you
na just akuafo no enso
offer
so CD okoka esi o CD no any dollar na
ya bi wa homa tum sesi ana akuafo mfre cocoa akuafo bohu se ma be kan che wo fidi so enti areho ye be sere aban no se akuafo no omudi omu cocoa amaw no ti omu ka because o ka kire akuafo yi se enka cocoa bag back we am beto 6,000 which is 60 million bag back we are want to me anto the other car who is 400 Ghana cedis
and they say no mo be enti na no ye na cocoa sector no or buy why you broke and na
broke
a car da hodum and why and so
if it is broke fix it fix it because yeah 2000 na President Kufo buy na cocoa sector na collapse no hwede o ye ma cocoa se pajae Akufo ado cocoa sisi yi okoba bia cocoa no abomre wa henso nyina na ye twani nyina gu ama akuafo no sika enti aban we ya aban a oba abre na cocoa sector no gu no collapse
na chese ka payment then say ba last quarter
yes offer they say the tiere say kueni no de cocoa corner say o ya o carry we no man de e fe the passbook no tweguma e say the next no ko bank e say bank fotu anaka obi de ne de akoyaje ya abayaje cocoa no ya ese nko bank ko jiska ko bank ya yesiska ni ho cocoa bank cannot pay them
now they no emphasis obo be payment for anything ya obo de massage
control inflation na ye tumi kosesa dollar ye beba so ye kosesa dollars 10 billion na de abema se cedi no ebe ye bruni oye bruni do you know the people that we are promoting asika foreign na yakoso ama omo senye sika mo because importation no okoye import na cheaper than say ibenya export nti ebedi mfie mienu say wo enemy offer na local companies na wo Ghana no na omo nyina fodu app mre na Ghana for hwe ni din fi say yenye export importation say obia $100 na 10 point something 11 point something no the China
okuje tabra kwa Ghana ni bei Ghana ni be na akubisa anasem a yese ye mpene so say Donald Trump abeche abeche hwan ni Venezuela mampani uko bisa Ghana ni bai wonwene wo wo me yanwene ye ho de ma ye Ghana nyina chi na ye dwene ye ho no wo sa akọ kan be ka ye meboa boko ntokwa akora ye timi aso ano wo akọfa ntokwa de nte se de aba Ghana we masa wo ada wo adwene kikami ya wo ana wo boda mana bibi ha wo nya sure se bibi ha e koso wo adwene waso ase aye di pintin no nyansasem atimi e de wo manya na kwaye no no wagimi se me ya wudi ani hwe enva masa ye sere wo ye dwene ye ho so onim ko akọ na kọ pata boko ntokwa ada ho so mani ya si ntimi nka ho hwe ni yeku a polisifu ku a sojafo yentimi nso ano ye dwene ha akọfa sa asem katrakam wa mo ani ana ho ha ye bechi watuawo na ho hwe ade a wapiri ho
yes yakwaji bibi kakra ye beka so bi but the prophecy I make ho asem no and the prophecy of chaos, the prophecy of a friend saying enipa bewu during the MPP primaries no and no asem na making and even before the Christmas no na sa prophecy na di kaba and the sign repeating home. In fact, most of the pastors are meti say omo professor about MPP no professor about primaries no can say some MPP for anhwe ya e down beto about 31st no emoja be hwiegu. It should be of concern to NPP for especially the election management team and election committee no as a year of concern to them. And bibi besi nyina no munim baby also munim baby ebe fraba. Look, Dr. Bawumia threatened that said this election bibi abc because obi anim say enya character no menti se kwabere Japan threaten say election way do or die nipa bewu se ma anye say ya menti se Dr. Brian Champon aka in fact Dr. Brian Champon podie waka say wo call election na ma wa create sama bi na hunahuna wa ana ya godon friend Boogeyman no wa create Boogeyman bi se baabi na wo di hunahuna nkrofo na ehunahuna wa mu a except party ni careful of such Boogeymen in the party because me can we be cast say ba ona can Japan there wa can clearly say election day no and then the besi no bi so kwa wi aba mu na enti and there so to trust them bad they should talk to him. And I'm also calling on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Echita for say they shouldn't take this election for granted. They shouldn't take this election on a silver platter. They shouldn't take election say police for Beho. Yes, indeed, policemen no more Ablukumanov. In fact, they were there in their numbers. By a bo MPP Echita for power. Ya boha kumsin tieti na yase na police for jina ho. In fact, the police people, some of them no mukita camera no mucha. Na be patanto kwa police for yes. In fact, in the 2024 election, NDC, police headquarters, Ewo Tetima in South, divisional headquarters, Enya District 2, divisional headquarters, Ewo Tetima in South, Ehon na collation center, NDC 4 koho, Eko bu Nipa, SS police station in police for ntimi anyo bi ahwe. So Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the team no, sa threat na efi honorable kan Japan camp na ba bibi besi and na obodo pa obi pa on try ye besi wo ho no election day ni ayi no they shouldn't take it for granted because man hwe yi a emoja so be hwe agu ampa na moja be hwe agu a munim ba bibi fi aba because nipa num na echo election no obi akasa ya asundwe kasa ba ko pe na all threaten party ni nyina na all threaten said there beto aba no bibi besi so we wini a bibi besi so obi wiam a bibi besi so bi say a bibi besi enti party mpanifor they should take sad a year for judicial notice so we a political notice so they should take note of that enti enkom say ba nyina no na sad ni